Hi friends, and welcome to Little Woods Art. Mother's Day is coming up, so I have the perfect activity for young kids to do with watercolor and paper. So get your watercolors and some water and some brushes, and let's get started. Now, if you have a spray bottle like this is a good way to activate your paints. So you want to spray them so that they're wet, because we are going to be using our hands as a paintbrush when we first get started on doing these flowers. And children can use all their different fingers if they want to have different size flowers. But what you're going to do is dip your finger in some water and then pick a color and just tap it. And you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a very easy craft to do. So you can make some red flowers, some orange flowers. You can use different fingers to get different sizes. You can have them overlap a little bit, but I would make an odd number of flowers. 4, 5. Let's see, let's just do another yellow flower. You could put them in any arrangement that you like. Once you have the flowers done, let's do one more red. Great. Once you have those done, take a paintbrush. We're going to add in some stems. So just take your paintbrush, and if you want to put them in as a bouquet, you're going to want to put the stems all in one direction. And maybe have them overlap a little bit. And then for the leaves, you could actually use your fingers again, or even your thumb, and just dip it in the green and add some leaves. Now, if you see on this one, I added a bow to hold it all together. So you could draw a bow, or you could have it in a flower pot, or you could just have them this way. If you would like to draw a bow, I will just show you how to do that. So come to about the middle of your flowers. You're going to draw a circle, and then you're going to draw 2 loops, and you want the loops to go past the flowers. Then you're going to draw a straight line down on each side, bring it back into the circle. And then you could add some of the ribbon hanging down. Now that you could paint, or you could color with marker. I'm going to just color it with marker. You could write anything that you want on here. You could write Happy Mother's Day. This could be a birthday card for someone. Anyone that loves to receive a bouquet of flowers. It's a perfect activity, and they're very fun and easy to make. Now, the final touch. And I have done this if you've seen some of my other videos. You're going to take a paintbrush, pick some of the same colors that you had and get it really wet and moist. And then just tap it on your finger. Move that out of the way. It just kind of adds a little dimension. You could put some blue in there if you'd like. And then let that dry before you pick it up, and write whatever you want. And that's it. I hope you had fun today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, Little Woods Art. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.